A conversation between two friends about COVID-19. Let's see.
Hey, my friend Samir. What are you doing here, sitting alone? Hello, Scott. How is it going on? I'm feeling great. But you look sad. Why? I'm feeling very much worries. Because it spread COVID-19 very fast. Oh, I see. Can I sit beside you, Samir? Sure, please sit here. Thank you. Don't worry. Though it is dangerous, but we can control it by following some safety instructions. Okay, then you can tell me about all those safety measures, so that I can follow them properly. Of course. To avoid this infection of COVID-19, we should wash our hands with soap again and again. Oh, I see. When we should wear mask? Whenever we go outside of our home, we should always wear a mask. And when we are out of the house, we can use sanitizer to prevent COVID-19. Yeah. That is a great idea. Samir, proper distance should also be maintained. It is very important. Don't worry, my friend. I will try to follow these instructions every time. Now you know that. But many people doesn't know what to do in this pandemic. Yes. You are right. I have an idea. If you want, we can make aware those people. Right. That's a great idea. Okay. Now let's go. We will make this awareness campaign from today. Yay. Let's go.